which is asked in JEE 2020. 36CR plus 1 into k square minus 3 is equal to 35CR into 6. The number of order pairs of R comma k. JEE 2020 question. How to solve this? We'll see. Right? If they given that, if means it is given. Okay? So they given this one. So 36C, you know NCR formula n factorial by n minus r factorial. According to this, I can write as 36 factorial. Okay, 36 factorial by, I can write how much? 36 minus r plus 1 factorial. 36 minus r plus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial into k square minus 3 is equal to 35 factorial divided by 35 minus r factorial into r factorial into 6 I can write. So here 36 I can write as 36 into 35 factorial, right? And this one you know already, that is 36 minus 1, 35. 35 minus r factorial. 35 minus r factorial I am getting. This is I am getting 35 minus r factorial. R plus 1 I can write as r plus 1 into r factorial. Can I write like this? R plus 1 factorial I am writing as r plus 1 into r factorial. Okay, that divided by, I can write here 35 factorial divided by 35 minus r factorial into r factorial into 6. Correct? So what I can do here, 35 factorial cancel out. 35 minus r factorial, 35 minus r factorial cancel out. R factorial cancel out. Okay, what we will get here now? What we will get here? 36 by r plus 1 is equal to, 36 by r plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, into k, into k square minus 3. Okay, into this is also there. So what I am getting, 36 into k square minus 3 divided by r plus 1 is equal to 6. I am writing again. 6 ones are 6, 6 are cancel out. So I can write here k square minus 3 value will be r plus 1 by 6. I am sending r by r plus 1 this side. 6 by r plus 1 I am sending this side. So k square value will be how much? R plus 1 by 6 plus 3 I will get. So k square value I got this one. So he is asking that what are the number of order pairs which satisfying this. So r can be what? Here r can be, I can substitute 0. R can be substitute 0 to 35, I can substitute 36, 35 because n is 35. So r maximum 35 it can happen. So I can substitute r is equal to 0 to 35. Then I can see how many number of order pairs I am getting. So if I substitute r is equal to 0, will I get an integer? Will I get an integer? So 1 by 6 plus 3 na fraction. So I will not get. I will not get. Yeah. If r is equal to what I will keep, I will get. R is equal to 5. If I keep r is equal to 5 here, what I am going to get here? 6 by 6 cancel out. Then k is equal to, k square is equal to 4 I will get. So k value will be what? What will be the k value here? Plus or minus 2. Correct? K value plus r, because k is integer. So you get plus and minus both. Now r is equal to 5. After that what will you get? See, 0 not possible, 1 not possible. 1 here the 2 by 6 na? 3 not possible, 4 not possible, 5 possible, 6 not possible, 7 by 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 35? 35 possible. So if I keep r is equal to 35, if I keep r is equal to 35, so k square is equal to how much I will get? 36 by 6, right? 6 plus 3, 9. So k value will be how much? Plus or minus 3. So order pairs, what I am getting order pairs here? 5 comma 2, 5 comma minus 2, 3 comma, right? 35 comma, yeah, 35 comma 3, 35 comma minus 3. So how many order pairs I am getting? 4 order pairs. This is JEE 2020. Right. Yeah, see the question. Coefficient of x power 7 in this 1 plus x whole power 10 plus x into 1 plus x whole power 9 plus x square into 1 plus x whole power 8 plus so and so plus x power 10 is dash. So you have to find coefficient of x power 7 in this. Okay, 7 you have to find. So how to find? Idea? Any idea, sir? So here this what is given, 1 plus x whole power 10 plus x into 1 plus x whole power 9 x square into 1 plus x whole power 8 plus so and so plus x power 10. This is gives the idea. It is in GP. Look at that. This is in GP. Look at that. Is this in GP? GP, you see that x 1 plus x whole power 10, 9, 8. It's going on decreasing 1 plus x whole power 0. So where it is begin? 10, 10. 1 plus x whole power 10. Then after? 9. Next? Last what will be? 1 plus x whole power 0. Whole power 0 it will be. Right? Whole power 0. Means how many terms are there? How many number of terms are there? 11. Right? Number of terms are 11. What is the first term? What is the first term? 1 plus x whole power 10. What is the common ratio? T2 by T1. What is T2? X into 1 plus x whole power 9 divided by T1. 1 plus x whole power 10. T2 by T1. Na? T2 means term 2. T1 means term 1. Term 2 by term 1. So this 9 power, this power cancel out. What is R here? What is R here? X upon 1 plus x. R is x upon 1 plus x. What is N here? N is 11. What is A here? 1 plus x whole power 10. Any doubts in this? Any doubts? So what I have to find here? S11 I have to find. Right? This is sum, right? This is sum, na? Addition. Addition means S11. This is addition, na? S11. Tell me S11 formula. S11 is equal to Sn formula. Tell me. Tell me, sir. A plus. A minus.
N by 2.
N by 2.
2a plus n minus 1.
Very nice. Excellent. Tremendous.
Minus and plus are confusing because of 11 is positive, so I think it must be plus.
Okay. Sn formula is what? Sn formula is A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r when r is less than 1. Sn is equal to A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. Correct? Now tell me which one I have to take. Second one? Why? X something number you think. X we don't know here, right? X something you take 2. 2 by 1 plus 2. 2 by 3.
First one.
First one. First one, na?
First one.
Sn first one you have to take. So S11 I am taking. S11. Bolo. A. 1 plus x whole power 10. Tell sir. Actually what you do, I like somebody speaking when I am writing. That R value. R value is what? X upon 1 plus x. Correct? You have to tell. When I am writing, you have to tell. Then only it will be looks good. Okay. R power how much? R power how much? 11. Right. Minus 1 divided by. Tell me. X upon 1 plus x minus 1. Is it clear? This is clear? Is this formula we have applied? A value I substituted, R value I substituted. Oh, wrong I did, right? I substitute the second formula na here. What man? Formula is what? S11 is equal to A. A is what? 1 plus x whole power 10 into 1 minus x upon 1 plus x r power n. N is 11 divided by 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now right? Now you have to simplify and tell me the answer. S11, wait. You do it here by seeing only 1 plus x whole power 10. Here, tell me what I get here. 1 plus x whole power 11. I separated here. Can I do it steps? See, can I do it steps? You are not understanding. 1 minus, this I can write as x power 11 by 1 plus x whole power 11 I can write. If I do LCM here, directly can I write na? If I write here, if I do LCM here, what I will get here? What I will get? 1 plus x to the power of 11 minus x power 11 divided by 1 plus x. बोलते नहीं सर. See, 1 plus x whole power 11 na divided by, what do you get here on top? 1 plus x minus x divided by 1 plus x. LCM I am doing simple LCM. Understood? Right. So in that power 10, power 11 gone. This plus x minus x gone. 1 by 1 plus x. This is 1 plus x. This is gone. Right? Understood? So what is left? S11 is equal to sum. How much you will get? 1 plus x to the power of 11 minus x power 11. Now in this is asking x power 7 coefficient. Right? In this so there is no possibility of x power 11. Arey x power 11 hai na wo to. This is x power 11. You will not get x power 7 in that. Where it possible? In this it is possible. 1 plus x whole power 11. What is the x power 7 term? Direct hai na, ye formula hai na. 1 plus x whole power 11. If I want to find the x power 7. So what do you get? N 11 C 7 है ना. 11 C 7 में x power 7 आएगा. 11 C 1 में x power 1 आएगा. 11 C 2 में x square you will get. 11 C 3 x cube. You know na this expansion. Should I give it expansion once? You want expansion? So the answer is 11 C 7. Right? What is the answer? 11 C 7. Right? That's it.